I can't stop thinking about that personal AI supercomputer from Nvidia. It
Mm.
seems straight out of like a sci-fi movie.
Essentially, what they've done is shrink down the power of a whole data center and crammed it into a desktop PC.
And they're selling it for $3,000, which is still a chunk of change, but way more accessible than those like giant supercomputers.
Think about what this means for small businesses, researchers, students. They can finally access the kind of computing power that was only available to mega corporations
It's
before.
like giving everyone superpowers. Imagine the possibilities if anyone could process massive amounts of data and run those crazy complex AI models.
It could lead to breakthroughs in every field imaginable, medicine,
Yeah.
engineering, art, you name it.
It's about spreading the power around, making it more inclusive.
Exactly. It's about empowering more people to use AI, to solve problems and create new things, to make the world better.
I'm totally getting that.
Mm.
But let's shift gears for a second, talk about something a little more down to earth,
Yeah.
like that new EV from Sony.
The Fella One. Yeah, it's definitely a looker and packed with some serious tech.
But looks aside, how does it actually drive?
Well, it's got a dual motor all-wheel drive system, 482 horsepower, and a range of about 300 miles.
Pretty impressive for an EV.
Mm.
What about charging time? How long do you have to wait to juice this thing up?
Sony hasn't given us exact numbers yet, but they say it'll support fast charging, so you could probably get a decent charge in just minutes.
Okay, so no more range anxiety. That's a win. But what about the driving experience? What's it actually like to be behind the wheel of this futuristic thing?
From what we've seen, comfort and technology are the top priorities. The interior is super spacious, luxurious, and there's that massive panoramic screen taking up the whole dashboard.
And they're going all out with that 360 spatial sound system, right?
Yeah.
Making it an immersive audio experience.
Exactly. They want to blur the lines between transportation and entertainment, turn the car into an extension of your digital life.
Which makes sense coming from Sony. But is all that enough to compete in a market that's already packed with EVs?
That's the million-dollar question. They're up against Tesla, Lucid, and all the traditional car companies who are going electric now.
So they need something truly unique to stand out. It sounds like they're banking on that blend of tech and entertainment.
Yeah. We'll have to see how consumers react. Will they embrace this new vision of driving or stick with the familiar?
Only time will tell. But hey, let's not forget about the other big Sony news, the Horizon Zero Dawn movie.
Ah, yes. Bringing those robot dinosaurs and that post-apocalyptic world to life on the big screen.